welcome on the E.B.U.N show. On this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to make my signature bunny gele. It's going to be a how-to or a DIY video of the last gele I made for an Owambe. So I went for this Owambe and everybody was asking how I made my gele. So on popular demand, I bring you the bunny gele. You guys, you remember Shola, right? One of the vibrant guests I've had on the E.B.U.N show. Shola was the guest I had on Love and Sickle Cell. You remember her now?
I saw you post something like that, and I'm like, surely.
Yeah, well, I mean, these days we have to decide what are you bringing to. I'm the table, so you've got to tell me what you're bringing to me. You know, I'm your own table as I am like this, my dear. I'm not bringing anything to the table, me.
So you remember in that episode she was saying that she was going to invite me when it was time for our wedding?
Maybe the E.B.U.N show will be there to cover the wedding.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, I can't wait, honestly. I can't wait.
And of course, I was there live and direct. It was such a beautiful wedding. Okay, so enough gist, let's get to it. And you guys will have to make do with my face like this. I'm beautiful the way I am. My husband was like, babe, try some makeup now, you're going to do it. And he even wanted me to wear that Owambe dress. Hey, life is not that hard. Are you a little? You guys, I'm the one teaching you. You have to take me the way I am. So here's the gele. You can actually use any type of ashoke for this gele. These days when you get ashwebi gele, it's not like the normal length, but it will still do. I said that to say the longer your gele, the higher your bunny would be. So you know, for many of the gele styles, you have your gele into 2 equal parts, but this one, no. You need one hand to be longer than the other, so you shift it to a side a bit, like do not make it equal. Then geles are always beautiful with the pleats. So I'm going to go about doing my pleats. I fold the edge in like this. Somehow gele is not just very fine when you use the exact edge of the gele, so you fold it in. Then next you go on making your pleats. So this is 1 pleat. I'm just going to make 3. I have 1, 2 pleats, then I have a 3rd pleat. Can you see it? Then the next is to place it on my head. I hope I'm not making it too. Okay, let me shift it to the side a bit. Yes. So next is it goes on my head. I'm going to be looking away from the camera because I have a mirror in front of me that will guide me. So next I have it on my head like this, and I'm going to rearrange my pleats So here we go. You want your pleats to really lie on themselves when it's on your ears. And not too far apart. Yeah. Then this side. Yeah, I think we're good. So now the next thing to do is cross it at the back. Yes, you cross it at the back like this. Now, I understand that by the time you're doing your gele, you'd have done your makeup, so you don't want to use the side of your head to hold it like this. You can just throw the longer one under your armpits. Then you twist this part. Yes, you have a smooth, beautiful twist, and you put it over the last pleats that you have. Then the next is to take the longer one and twist it like this. Now note what I'm doing here. I'm not going to twist it all the way to the mouth of it. Just twist it about like this for it to meet the shorter one. And next is to just turn it, take the shorter hand to the back. You are not tying. You are not tying, and this is one of the ways. This is one of the reasons it's a bit different from the traditional gele. Now, what you do is take a tip of the tail of your gele, the tip like this, and bring it under your twists. Can you see it? Can you see what I'm doing? Just bring it out like this and pull. Once you feel you have gotten to like half of the tip of that gele, just use it to tie like this. That is all you need. And maybe try secure this with a pin. Did I remember to tell you need pins? Yes, you need about 3 pins. You don't need so much. Just use that to secure this one in place. That's all. Now to our bunny, the real deal. You pull out this part and style it properly. This is like one ear of the bunny. Then the next is take the other hand. I'm still going to style it properly, but let me secure this in place with a pin. Don't go anywhere. Now here's the next one. It is very simple. Like, if I see you do your bunny gele anyhow, you're not permitted to do it anyhow if it's not fine, no. And this is it. See, our bunny is ready. So now the last pin I'm going to use is just to hold the 2 in place. Yes. And they have to keep standing. So it also means that you can't use geles that are too soft for your bunny. Whatever will make it as neat as possible. Haha! We have the bunny gele, and personally I feel the bunny gele is finer when you move it either to this side or this side, but I prefer this side for no particular reason. I just feel this is my fine side of the face. Then of course, if you're going for a party, you need to lay your edges. Like, you would have laid your edges before, maybe before or after your makeup, and you tie it with a scarf so that you know that it's going to last long. Then move it to the side like this and move it back. Your edges have to show. What is gele without edges? I mean. So, and of course, tile the back so that it's not bulging out. And that's it. Rates my bunny gele. What do you feel about it? Blast up the comment section. Encourage me, because it is your encouragement that will make me do more. You're not paying me, so you got to encourage your girl. So let me also know when you have done your own bunny gele. You can send me pictures. Feel free to send me pictures. And why do I keep saying signature bunny gele? It is because I invented the bunny gele. Yes, I'm saying that with my full chest. During my makeup days, I used to do auto gele too. So, you know, as a creative, you keep looking for what am I going to do that is new, that will gain acceptance, and then I created it. But before it got popular, then I took a bow from makeup. Do not ask me. That is a story for another day. So here it is. And I've always loved simple geles because I dread the idea of the typical gele. So the first time I found out that I'm not a gele person, like the regular gele person, was I was still quite young, and I had that gele with the typical knot in front of it like this. I felt I was dying. Like, you know when something is wrong with you and you don't even know the cause, you don't know why it's happening like that. I could not even explain what was wrong with my head until I removed the gele. I was like, it is the gele. Okay, so since then it is either a very simple gele or no gele at all, and that is why I always would just look for a simple gele to tie. I'm sure this is quite simple for you to get. Give it a thumbs up, feel free to share, and if you've not subscribed, is this playing? While I'm selling. All right, bye.